Hi guys, in today's video we're going to talk about this exciting topic of getting your first sales. So how do you proceed from here? So let's get into this module. When you receive your first order, here are some steps to process your order. Now step number 1, you receive a PayPal notification on your mobile phone or on your desktop. Step number 2, go to DSM2, under sales and order, click on the Amazon link. So I'll show you in a while. Step number 3, log into your Amazon account and check the item price. Step number 4, to determine whether you need to pay any state tax. So state tax, actually you need to factor it into your selling price, and on the average we factor about 5% on the average of the total sales of the month. Step number 5, check whether item sold is profitable for you. So if it's profitable, then we will purchase the order. If you're making a loss, then we should take a look at what are the steps that you should take. Now step number 6, copy the buyer address and paste to Amazon delivery address. So if you have the DSM2 plugin installed, you can actually do a copy, or if you have the under the sales order page, you can also do a copy from there. Step number 7, check on the gift receipt on Amazon site. And step number 8, pay and check out on Amazon.com. Now let's go to DSM and take a look. Okay, right now I'm under the sales and order page in DSM2. You need to log on to DSM2. Now this is the selling history page. So for all the products that I wish to order, I can just click on the link. For example, my source is either Target or Amazon. So if you're Amazon, I'll just click on Amazon and I'll be routed to the Amazon page. So this product at this moment is already sold out, so I will not do this demo. So very often you will get product that's out of stock, so we'll talk about this in the later part of this module. So let's click on another item. Let's say this watch. So this watch is basically available. So what we do, we can just click on the add to cart, and once we have the price, or come to this shopping cart page, check on this box that say this is a gift. And what you can do is you can go back to DSM2 and copy and paste the client address by going to the address column and click on the copy the Amazon address book. When you click on this button, and you'll be routed to this page. So the next step that you need to do is to just wait for it to be added. So this address I have already added, so I will not be adding it again. So next, on the checkout page, you can just try to paste again. I believe, yeah, this is the address. So what's the next step is that use this address. The step number 2 is to place in your gift message. So you can say thank you, blah blah blah, and then you save the option and continue. Payment method, usually I will use the gift card balance, and then after that you will just click on the step number 4. For example, right now I'm using my credit card. I'll just select credit card, and the last steps, you will just place your order. And look at the right hand side, there is this thing called the tax collected. So usually it's about 5% to 8% depending on the state of the customer. So in this case, there's a $3.24 that you need to factor into your selling price. So if this product there is a cashback, you can actually get cashback from the cashback side. Okay, so how to handle out of stock item? Now many times products can get out of stock, product can be very low in stock. So when you sell it, by the time you purchase it, it's out of stock. So what you can do first of all is to tell your customer that you want to cancel this order. However, you can't select the reasons that which is out of stock. So this will get your account into trouble. Always select the reason buyer requests to cancel. So this can be done easily by sending the customer an email, either through the eBay message, or you can send an email to the customer by using the DSM2. So do not use any other reason because this will get your eBay account to be below standard. So this is very important. Email the buyer, like mentioned, tell the buyer that the item you purchase, it can be like missing part or there's issues. Just seek their understanding that you have to cancel their order. Check the listing on DSM site on the quantity, and you should set it to 0 when you decided to email your customer. So never let your customer go back to the listing and check that actually you're still selling the product which you claim that it's out of stock. You will get an angry buyer and eventually get a negative feedback. If it's not set to 0, make sure that you manually set it to 0. So handling item price increase. So this is another condition that will happen when you sold an item but the price have increased like by $10 or $20. So the items that on DSM side are only repriced every hourly, and usually the buyer buy the item before the pricing take place, where this happens and the price increases when they decided to buy it. And you can use the same reason as mentioned earlier for our stock case. Make sure you email your buyer about this and use DSM to check that the item price is profitable for you and the price is actually updated. If it's not, you could actually contact the support on DSM side. So your action item for this particular module is, how can you check Amazon seller stock level? Do you know how to do this? Can you fulfill the orders from third-party sources? So other than Amazon, do you have other third-party sources that you can fulfill the same order? Why Amazon seller increase their price? Now think about this reason. Why does Amazon seller increase their price? OOS, out of stock, means hot selling and high demand products. Is this always the true case? Now think about all these questions. I'll provide the answer in the next section. I'll see you in the next module.